Hey guys, so as you can see, my house is pretty disastrous right now. Me and my family actually recently had a pretty devastating loss, and I feel like this is the result of that. And so I feel like chores just kind of went to the wayside as of recently. And so I knew that cleaning up my house was going to make me feel better. It was going to make me feel just more clear-headed, and I was absolutely right. It did do that for me. And upstairs is always the area that gets the messiest for my house. Like, my downstairs always stays pretty clean, but it's upstairs that just goes crazy. And it's because this is where my daughter's playroom is. And so I decided to start in that area because this area is always the worst. And when I get this area done, I feel so much more motivated to do the rest of my house. So I just picked that up, and then I also vacuumed a ton. And this day I actually got a ton done that needed to be done for a really long time. I did a lot of decluttering and organizing some areas in my house that were just sitting there waiting, and I was just putting it off. And this day I actually got it done. So you'll see that later on in the video, but getting this playroom area done first was definitely the motivation behind most of this video. So as you can see here, we got this whiteboard, and this is one of the best purchases we've made in a really long time. My girls absolutely love it, and I would have loved to have something like that as a kid. So that was a really good purchase that we made recently. So I just wiped that down, and then I cleaned off this railing. This always gets dirty dishes and just a bunch of junk on it. It's like where we set everything. And so I just sprayed that down and washed it off and got it all nice and clean. And that is the finished product for my playroom. Already I feel a million times better. So next up was some decluttering. So this pile here, guys, I know it looks horrible, right? Well, this was organized at one point, and this is all my free makeup that I get from companies. And I had the left bucket there, the pink one, that was for my giveaways. And then the bucket next to it, the right bucket, was like makeup that I was going to keep. But I just got a bunch of other makeup and it didn't fit into those buckets, and so I just started piling it on top of each other. And so I was like, I need to get this cleaned up like so bad. It's just gonna keep getting worse. So I bought these two buckets. They're like these marble buckets, and on the right side I'm going to put all the makeup that I'm going to keep and try out and use in tutorials and, you know, try out for you guys. And then in the left bucket I'm going to put makeup that I'm going to give away, whether it be to you guys or family and friends or whatnot. So if you guys want to be part of the giveaways, I always hold my giveaways on my Facebook page, which is Carah Amelie Insiders, and it's a group. I'll put the link down below if you want to join that group, because that's where I do all my giveaways. Sometimes they're slightly used products, like swatched and stuff like that, because I have to swatch things for like Instagram. But if you are into that, then you can go ahead and go to that group and I'll do a giveaway for some of these stuff. So I just got all of that stuff organized in that small box. I put makeup that I'm going to use in a specific video soon, whether it be products I've used up, products I didn't like, that type of stuff. And for the most part, this was like the most rewarding thing of the entire day, because this is something that I've been needing to do for so long, and it just feels really good. So that is me just decluttering everything, and yes, I love it. All right, guys, are you ready for this? Oh, doesn't that look so good? Oh my gosh, I love it. And that makes this room look so much cleaner. It's insane. So next I had to do Lizzie's cage area. This is her feeding cage and just kind of like her social cage. So when we're up here playing and stuff like that, she'll usually go in this cage. So I just wiped it down, and I got a little basket, and I put a bunch of her stuff in the basket because her, you know, food and calcium and all that kind of stuff was just kind of spread around the house. So I put everything in this little wicker basket here. So now it's all in one place. And I also kind of cleaned out the sand a little bit and just got her cage all nice and refreshed. And this is something that also needed to be done for a while. And so it feels really, really good. And we got her some new crickets and roaches, and she is a happy lizard now. All right, so next up is my desks, like desk areas and stuff like that. I always leave Travis's desk area to him. He can clean his own desk. I'm not going to clean it for him. But I cleaned up Elena's little desk here, just kind of put everything in like the jars and stuff like that, got all of her markers out of the way. And then I needed to clean up my desk really, really bad. So I went ahead and just put everything away and just wiped it down and got it nice and perfectly spick and span. And now it looks really good with my little bins all nice and organized. I also went in after I, did this video a little bit and organized it even more. I put my little brush area, I put it on like a tray and all of that kind of stuff to make it look a little bit cuter. And then I vacuumed all around my desk and it just looks so much better now. And I'm just happy. Like, this really does clear your head. Like, if you're going through a hard time or you're just feeling just like blah, just clean your house. And when it's all nice and calm, like, you just feel so much more zen. So that is kind of the finished product of my work area. I love it. It looks so good. Next up was this bathroom. You guys have seen me clean this bathroom before. This bathroom doesn't get too messy. It's just kind of like little things. So I just put all of their, toothbrushes away and stuff like that and just wiped off the counters. And then I cleaned the toilet, the mirrors, and also the floor. And that was pretty much all I needed to do for this bathroom. That is the finished product for this bathroom. Really, really cute. I really want to paint the walls actually in this bathroom. I think I want to do maybe like a white or gray color. I just think it would look really nice. But next up was my bedroom. You guys haven't seen me clean up my bedroom actually yet. So this pile here, I don't even bother with this pile, okay? So this is the perfect example of compromise in a marriage. And Travis always has a giant pile of dirty clothes. No matter what I do, no matter what I say, it just never goes away. So I'm just like, whatever, I'm just gonna push it into this corner, and if he wants his clothes clean, then he can put them in the hamper. So that's our rule in this house. And so that's what I do. I just push it into the corner and it works for me. I've kind of gotten over it. And then I just spray the TV stand down and the TV, and I just wipe it all down, and that always gets super dusty. And then this area is our dirty clothes and also cat scratch posts. Do you see that big hole in the corner of our hamper? Yeah, that's where our cats like to scratch. And I just wipe everything down. I want to get actually new side tables for my bed because these ones were from Walmart and they're really bad quality. So that's kind of our next buy, I guess. And then I just kind of wipe everything down and make everything look nice and clean. And then I go and do some laundry. So this is Travis's underwear and socks. And let me tell you guys something. I don't put Travis's socks together. I let him do that, like in the mornings when he's getting dressed. He will just find matching socks, and it cuts down so much on time. So I just throw them all into a drawer and then throw his underwear in a drawer, and I call it good. And then after that, I just do my bed. And fixing your bed and making your bed every day is definitely something that I try to do. I don't do it every day, but it does make you just feel a lot better, a lot more clean, and it's a lot more enjoyable to go to bed at night, I feel like. So that is what I did here. Just made my bed really, really quickly, and even that just makes my room feel so much better. So next up was some more decluttering, and I have a suitcase in my room that's literally full of so much stuff from Create and Cultivate. I got a giant bag of goodies and they're really awesome. I love them, but I just have to kind of play around with them, and I didn't have any place to put them, so that suitcase is staying right there. And then these two baskets here, do you see that blue basket right there in the corner? That has literally been in that spot since we moved into this house, and it was never meant to stay there. But I put all of like my shampoo products and like shower, face products, all that kind of stuff in these bins from companies, because this is kind of where I do like, you know, my cleansing routine, shower, all that kind of stuff. So that's where all of those products go. And so I've never really moved them from that spot. So finally I got those kind of decluttered and organized. And so that feels really good because I wanted to get that blue basket out of there because it was actually staining my carpet blue. So yes, now that's organized. And then I just went ahead and vacuumed everything, and that is it for my room. Not a huge change or huge difference, but it's a lot better than it was, and I'm happy about that. Okay, next up is my bathroom, and this bathroom gets pretty bad as well. I didn't want to go too deep cleany on this bathroom just because I didn't have the time, and I was just trying to get as much cleaning as I possibly could done. So what I did is I just put some stuff in the bottom cupboards, like my hot rollers and stuff like that, and then I just really wanted to clean the countertops. Like, that was the main thing for me right now. So I just did a lot of organizing and just kind of wiping down the countertops and the mirrors and just organizing everything. I also, wiped down like that flower vase and all the stuff on the counters because they get really, really dusty. And I use a ton of hairspray. And so everything in my bathroom, I feel like gets coated in hairspray. Does anybody else feel that way? Like, the area on the floor near my side of the sink is like literally coated in hairspray, so it's like really hard to clean sometimes, but that's always been a problem for me. I don't know, maybe it's the hairspray I use, but yeah. So I just went ahead and I just wiped everything down and organized everything, and it ended up turning out really nice. And while editing this video, I realized that I need to change light bulbs, so that is the next thing on my list to do. So that is it for my bathroom. Do you like that I put a Get It Girl mug on Travis's side? I thought that would be really funny. I got that when I was in LA, and I was like, that'd be the perfect toothpaste holder, so yes. Now I decided to go downstairs and just clean up a little bit just to make my downstairs match my upstairs. So because it doesn't get too messy down here, it wasn't too hard. I just wanted to kind of, do some light cleaning. And so that is my pretty room, is what we like to call it. I just did really light cleaning in there, and I did some vacuuming and everything downstairs. I wiped down some of the tables and things like that. And that was pretty much all I had to do downstairs, but it was just enough to kind of get everything smelling good, get everything feeling clean. And then I always do my sliding glass door because I have kids, and you can always see handprints on the doors. It doesn't matter how many times you wash these doors, there's always handprints on them, so that's always a must for me. But yeah, that is basically all I did downstairs. It was really easy, but it was definitely worth it. So that is pretty much it, you guys, for this video. Here is the finished product of all of the rooms, so you can get a nice satisfied feeling. There's my work area and kind of like my makeup storage area, and it feels so good to work in like a nice clean space. I just love it. And then my kids, play area. It doesn't look like that right now, by the way. It's messy again, but I'll be cleaning that up as soon as I'm done doing this voiceover. And then there's my bathroom and my bedroom, and then me and Travis's bathroom. Oh, just feels so good, guys. I love a nice clean house. It definitely made me feel a little bit more clear-headed and stuff like that. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I know you guys really enjoy these videos, so I'll try to think of some other cleaning routines that I could do for you guys, because there's definitely like night cleaning routines that I do just to kind of get everything picked up and stuff like that. So let me know if you have any ideas. I might also do some decluttering videos, because that's something that I've been really wanting to do lately, like get rid of things that I never use, like extra sheets and stuff like that. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!